How's it going, everybody? Brian Hoops here. Midwest Market Solutions, our trade update on Monday night, August the 21st. Thanks for joining us here as we look at what we have going on. We don't have any current positions. We are looking at a couple different things. This is a chart of soybeans. You can see we've had a little bounce here off of our lows. Now we're starting to consolidate. I do think the next move is going to be lower, so we're going to find a resistance point here and try and get short with some stops above it. So check your newsletter out for the exact recommendation, but that is the direction we're starting to play this. You can see corn sitting on the bottom in here. It may continue to grind its way lower. I don't want to try and sell it at this point, so we're just going to leave that alone. Same thing with the wheat market in here. I don't see a reason to try and bottom pick this market. We're going to have to get above this area if we're going to change the trend here. Kansas City wheat, same thing. You get a long ways to go before you can even think about changing a trend of this market and trying to get long. Some of the outside type markets, E-mini, S&P, I think we've kind of broken the trend here. Should have a rally back up into this area again where we may try and get short. The gold market seems like the safe haven for the stock market in here. We're going to have a little bit more of a pullback, maybe down into this 1286 area. We don't have an official recommendation yet, but I think there's going to be an opportunity for us to try and get long in the gold as well. In the livestock markets, you can see we just had a rally in the cattle that has dropped in here. We're starting to find some consolidation as evidenced by the inside bar here. Pull up a feeder cattle chart, see another inside session there. Trying to hold support here in the November feeders right in this area, right about there, 139. We could get a little bounce off of this, and if we do, I think it's going to represent once again another selling opportunity. Here's an interesting market setup. Here's the hogs coming down possibly to this low right around 64.22. I'm not inclined to buy the market, but I think we could see a little bit of a bounce off of this hog market. And here's a chart of a hog spread. You notice on your newsletter, More Research puts this spread on. They're doing it on the 30th of this month. 14 out of 15 years it's worked where you buy. They put it on the 16th, so they're into this spread already. Notice how the spread moved to new lows in here, and it's worked 14 out of the last 15 years, where October gains against the December going into the next several months. In fact, they hold this until the 30th of the month. So that is a couple of ideas, I think, for you. 30th of September, I should clarify, that's when More Research gets out. So they hold it for a little while in here, but that's a pretty high accurate spread. If you have any questions on anything, let us know. This has been Brian Hoops of Midwest Market Solutions. Be glad to answer them for you. Good luck and good trading, everybody.